How to cancel booking in Agoda. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily cancel any kind of booking that you've done on Agoda app. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up Agoda app, or if you're using the web version, you're just going to have to go ahead and open up your browser. And once you've done that, just make sure that you are logged into your account. Alright, so once you're logged in, the next step is to find your current bookings. You can do that by tapping on the menu icon at the top right. And then you'll see a bunch of menus here. Just go ahead and tap on My Bookings. And if you have made any reservations or bookings, it will show up right here. So if you have any upcoming bookings, you can see it right here. And if you tap on the booking, you'll find an option to cancel your bookings. And if you want to see your completed bookings, you can do that here as well. And once your booking has been canceled, you can simply go ahead and tap on the canceled option to see your canceled bookings. But if you're not able to cancel it somehow from there, then you're going to have to contact the Agoda's help and support team. You can do that by going on to the menu again, scroll down until you find the help center. Just tap on it. And once you get to the help center, you can easily go ahead and contact Agoda's customer service. Tap on this, and an AI-powered chatbot will appear on your screen. So you could just go ahead and start cancellation. So as you can see here, if you tap on cancellation, you could just go ahead and cancel your booking. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.